All right, we're gonna make ciabatta bread. All right, so we're doing warm water, 3.5 cups
Yeah.
for each one of these bowls,
Yeah.
right? Okay, that's one. That's gonna make a lot of bread. 2 teaspoons each.
1, 2.
And we need 2 teaspoons of salt. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Of course I love your olive oils. 1, 2. All right, now we got a whisk. Just kind of mixing it up. No sugar? Here we go, 5.5 cups. Will we make it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now we get the half cup, and we put 1/2 cup in each because they calls for 5.5 cups. All right, so now we've got to mix it up until it gets into a, what kind of ball?
Like a shaggy dough ball.
A shaggy dough ball.
Where no flour is on the sides anywhere.
Okay, so we got to do that.
So that's why they say 5.5 to 6. Open that up.
Oh, more?
Yeah.
So because they got a little water, yeah?
It's just a little bit of water, so.
So you're just going to put some more in?
Scraping down the sides. I think that's good.
Okay, so this is what we want it to look like when we get done, and we've got to do the other 2 now.
I'm gonna wet it.
Okay. And then it should rise, right?
Well,
And then we have to fold it after that.
well no. Within the hour, I have to fold it every 15 minutes.
Okay, within an hour, we're gonna fold it every 15 minutes. So first we're gonna cover it with a wet towel. We're just gonna move it from here over here. All right, let's get our bowls out. Are you ready? Here comes number 1. Take a look and see what it looks like. And we have to knead it? You knead it inside the thing? Is that how you do it?
Yeah. Just fold. 1,
Oh, fold it.
2, 3,
So this is what folding is.
4.
And then you put it back in. So I notice you're dipping your hands in water each time.
That's it.
So that's
fine.
that one, okay. That one goes underneath.
Does it?
Yeah, it went under here.
My nose is running.
There's that one. Let's get another one.
When you stretch and fold, I remember they say you want to just bring it up and stretch it as far as it will literally stretch. Okay.
Okay, that one goes back.
In there.
All right, we'll see you guys in 15 minutes.
Set that timer.
Okay, setting the timer. Start. All right, there we go.
It's a good day for bread, you know?
Oh yeah, it's rainy out. 8 seconds to folding. By the time you get it out and do it, you'll be able to do it. All right, so we're folding this. All right, thank you. We're folding this for the second time.
I'm only doing one fold these times.
Okay, so
Next.
that one we will put back in. Fold number 3, here we go. As you can see, each time we do it, man, it's bigger. You know what I mean? It's freaking huge. Check out this fold, how high she goes. Woo! That's a big fold. Oh yeah. We're talking doughy. Okay, that one's done. All right, this is our last fold. Here we go. Let's see how much it rose. Look at that, it's bubbling now. So you can see the difference each time that we've done this. And when I say we, I mean her. Look at her stretch it. And then this is it. After this, we let it
Now it
sit,
sits for 45 minutes.
and then we can bake it.
And then I put it on the actual baking sheets, set it up, shape it, and then it sits for 15 minutes, and then it bakes.
Oh, so we've got another,
Hour.
yeah. And there we go, 44 minutes and 57 seconds, we come back. And this is what it looks like.
Look at that.
That, oh my God, it's so freaking, that's a lot of bread.
No, it won't stay like this.
You don't think so?
No. Knocks all down.
Oh, it knocks down.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
there's air in it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see, yeah. So she's putting a little flour on it. Oh, there's 3 of them here. We got 3. All right, so what do we have to do with this? All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of oil on here. And so we've got 3 of these. Or we could just use this brush. Okay, now parchment paper. The secret way you do this, first measure.
That's it. Tape.
Okay, now she's gonna scrunch them all up. Scrunch, and then place. Now what do we do? It's kind of doughy, like it's not really, it's kind of sticky.
It is.
Oil up that blade. Should I throw some flour under there?
Here.
So this is hopefully keep it from sticking. That's it? Okay. All right. That's one. We have to sprinkle flour on top too, don't we?
So that's like 15 by 10 maybe-ish, right?
Yeah, easily, yeah. Without a doubt.
They have to sit for 15.
Here is the ciabatta getting ready to go into the oven. And we're just gonna dash a little bit more flour on top. So we're gonna go 20 minutes. Now we gotta see if they'll fit in there. Super hot.
Smaller and a big one. Let's just spread out.
Here we go. Let's see if it works.
I think these 2 fit together, I think.
You think? The small ones. Yeah, they fit. Okay, that's good. We got them. All right, and then this one. Now that's not going to be too close to the top, is it? It's baking it, right?
No,
So-
that should be fine.
So we're 450 baking
Correct.
for 20 minutes. All right, here we go. 20 minutes from now, should have ciabatta bread. So this has been 20 minutes. Let's take a look.
We're going to do it another 5.
I think it needs another 5 minutes. Okay,
Yeah,
so it has been
turn it
5
off.
minutes. So what do you think?
But I think that's good.
All right, let's set it down. Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Ooh, what the heck is going on there? That looks perfect. Last but not least, you are a champion of, look! Oh my God, look at that.
Oh, this has to go to 350 now.
I cannot wait to eat this. What do you think?
Smells good.
It looks delicious.
Can't not be cooked. I think it just collapsed a little. Got it? That's okay because,
Should we cut it and see?
no, you can't cut bread like that. That's what happens. You have to wait.
All right, what are we doing over here?
Try it.
Ciabatta. Get in there, try it.
It's still hot. You want butter on it?
Nope. No, you go. You eat that. All right, make me a piece. I want to just do a regular piece of bread. Is that for me? Okay.
It's a little doughy, but I think it has to cool.
All right, we're trying it out.
And like I say, it has to go in the
Oh my God.
toaster.
It's so good. Mm. Excellent. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos. Bread!